Hello IELTS students, welcome to For Learners. I hope you all are good and you are getting benefits from my channel. So today I am going to teach you how to speak an effective introduction in the speaking section of IELTS test. Okay, so when the examiner asked you that tell me about yourself, then some students answer like this, my name is blah blah blah, and only just giving their name only in the introduction section. So that is not the correct way of giving introduction. Okay, so let me tell you. You should say these 5 things in the introduction section of speaking test when the examiner asks about yourself. So what are the 5 things? Which are the 5 things? You should say to examiner. An examiner will impress by the introduction. I am giving you these 5 things that you should tell in the introduction section. First, name. Second, where are you from? Where are you live? Third, DOB, that means date of birth. How many years you are old? Fourth, status, that means you are doing work or are you still studying? Fifth, your hobbies, tell me about your hobbies. These 5 things should be included in your introduction section. So let's start with the first, name. You should say that my name is Wrinkle Patel, or my full name is Wrinkle Alpeshbhai Patel, or you should say myself Wrinkle Patel. Okay. Then second, where are you from? Where are you live? You should say I'm from Gandhinagar, or I live in Gandhinagar, which is in western part of India. Or you should say I live in Gandhinagar, which is the capital of the Gujarat in India. You should not say too much information. You should not give too much information about your hometown or your city. This will give bad impression to the examiner, or answer would be too long. So that's not the correct way. And third one, DOB, date of birth. How many years you are old? You should say I'm 23, or I'm 23 years old, or I just turned 22. Fourth one, status. You are doing work, or are you still studying? So if you are doing a job, then you should say I had completed my bachelor in the year 2000 this, or and then I had started doing job in one of the IT company in Ahmedabad, and where my role is blah blah blah. So you should say like this. And if you are still studying, then your answer should relate to studies. Okay, that I am still studying and in the stream of this, like this. Okay. And now the last one, your hobbies. In the hobbies section, you should not say your common hobbies like I love singing or dancing or listening music. You should not say like this. Like if you say so, then examiner will think that you memorize this answer. Memorize this answer, and it will common answer like this. So you should say that I love to spend time with my families. So with my family, and since my childhood, especially with my brother, and because I think that when we spend time together, then we come more closer. And your answer should be like this, not just very common hobbies, that singing, dancing. They are very common hobbies. Okay, so if you find this video very useful, then please subscribe my channel. Please like, comment and share this video. Thank you.